our coffee break beef jerky. All you have to do is slice up any kind of beef that you've had. We've made it with ribeye, we've made it with chuck roast, we've made it with flank steak, a lot of different types of beef, and they all turn out perfect. We're gonna cut our beef into 1/4 inch slices, and I like to have beef jerky that's kind of on the thick side because it really does shrink in the oven. When you're making it at home, it's so cheap and affordable. You can cut it thick and really feel like you're enjoying homemade beef jerky. And we're gonna add our beef to a big mixing bowl like this. It's really, really important that we let our beef marinate as long as possible, up to 24 hours. This is how all the flavor is gonna penetrate into the meat. To our beef strips, we're going to add what's going to make the coffee break beef jerky, the coffee. So we're gonna add 1/2 cup of strongly brewed coffee. And you can use espresso if you want, if you really love an intense flavor. Then we're gonna add our soy sauce, our Worcestershire sauce, and all of our dry ingredients. And we're gonna give that a stir and make sure that everything is coated in our marinade. We're gonna cover this and put it in our fridge for at least 2 hours, overnight if you can, and up to 24 hours. By covering it, we're gonna make sure that no air gets to it while it's sitting overnight. Our beef has been in the fridge for 24 hours, and we're gonna add it to our wire rack and sheet pan and make sure that none of the meat is touching other meat. Our beef jerky is done. It's been in the oven for 4 hours, and it looks pretty magnificent. It's definitely road trip worthy from what I'm seeing. We're gonna dig into this and see how it turned out. Cheers. I gotta chew for a little bit. Speaking of chew, it really packs a punch for how little effort it took to put this together. We can customize it. It was 1/8 of the price, and it's 100% road trip certified.